This 2022 Newmar Ventana 3709 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 34 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Colfax Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, external shower, smoke detector, skylight, TV, awning, leveling jacks, air conditioning, slide-out, self-contained, TV antenna, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Ventana 3709 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.